What if I told you there's a smartphone with a 250MP camera, a 7100 mAh battery, and 12 GB of RAM, all packed into an affordable 5G device? Sounds like something straight out of a flagship, right? But it's not. It's the Infinix Note for OS, and today, we'll dive into why this phone could shake up the budget smartphone market. Infinix is known for delivering top-notch features at wallet-friendly prices, but the Note for OS 5G is taking things to a whole new level. Let's break down everything this phone has to offer, from its eye-catching design to its powerhouse performance. The first thing you'll notice about the Infinix Note for OS is its 6.2-inch punch-hole display. It's not just a screen, it's an experience. With a 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 to 1320 pixels, every swipe, scroll, and tap feels buttery smooth. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix or crushing it in games, this display is built to impress. Plus, the built-in fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure access to your device. Under the hood, the Note for OS runs on a reliable Snapdragon 4 series chipset. While it's not a high-end processor, it gets the job done, providing consistent performance for daily tasks, casual gaming, and even multitasking. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, this phone can handle almost anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Let's talk cameras. The Infinix Note for OS features a 250MP primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, to 150 megapixels. This powerhouse is backed by a 12MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more in every frame, and a 5MP telephoto lens for those crisp zoomed-in shots. You also get 10x zoom and support for HD video recording, making it a dream for anyone who loves photography or creating content. And the 32MP selfie camera, perfect for Instagram-worthy selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Battery anxiety? Say goodbye to it. The Note for OS comes with a massive 7100 mAh battery. That's enough to last you through a full day of heavy use and still have juice left. And when it's time to recharge, the 120W fast charging gets you back to 100% in just an hour. Imagine plugging in your phone during lunch and having it fully charged before you're done eating. Infinix understands that storage needs vary, so the Note for OS offers 3 configurations: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 156GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Whether you're a casual user or someone who loves hoarding apps, photos, and videos, there's a variant for you. Plus, all models come with the expandable storage, giving you even more room for your data. Let's address the big question: how much does it cost? While Infinix hasn't revealed the exact pricing yet, rumors suggest it will be competitively priced for the budget 5G segment. With a launch window expected between January and February 2025, it's poised to make a strong entry into the market. Here's a thought: a phone that combines cutting-edge features like a 250MP camera, a 7100 mAh battery, and 12 GB of RAM should cost a fortune. But Infinix is flipping the script by offering these specs in a device that's accessible to more people. It's not just a phone, it's a statement that budget doesn't have to mean boring. The Infinix Note for OS 5G is shaping up to be a game-changer, especially for anyone who wants premium features without paying a premium price. So, are you ready to embrace a device that redefines what a budget smartphone can do? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech.